Hi, it's Lynn from Sweet Natured and welcome to our balcony cabin tour aboard Independence of the Seas. As always, I'm joined by Marky.
Hello.
Hello, who is recording the video. So yes, Independence of the Seas balcony cabin tour. Let's see what we can see.
Well, as you said, Linz, we've just got on board Independence of the Seas.
Yes.
And balcony cabin tour. Off you go, I'll follow you around.
Okay, so shall we start with the bathroom?
Yeah.
I thought it was cold in here. It's down to Baltic.
It is quite Baltic.
So
I didn't say it at that.
No.
I touched it, obviously, that when we came in.
It's September, it's late September.
But it's blue sky outside, so people have got confused.
England. So, we've got the bathroom, and a shower with doors. It's one of the...
Oh, just pull the doors too, are they? Does it come out? Yeah, it's one of those ones.
This
okay.
one? What, with doors? It's the all-you-can-eat.
Just for clarity, we're not recommending you eat that.
You know what I mean? The all-in-one.
Yeah. Shampoo, hair, body wash.
Conditioner, body wash. You know the deal.
I do.
Okay, we've brought
decent sized shower. Just step inside just for height. Oh, there's loads of room, isn't there? There's a good sort of 2 foot above you there.
Okay, then we've got it's quite roomy.
Yeah, it's not the biggest bathroom in the world, but it's definitely not the smallest as well.
No, it's not. It's okay. It's okay. It's towels, flannels. They feel quite nice. Have a feel of those.
They're much softer than I expected.
Yeah, door. Oh, cupboard. It's.
I think it helps from a space point of view that it's got those sort of mirrors where the going in at an angle, there is a specific shape type that I can't think of for that. But it feels to make the bathroom a whole lot bigger.
You know what? And it's the tiles that date it, because nobody's got clams anymore.
Or seashells.
Are they seashells? The clams, scalloped edge.
Yeah, scallopy shells out there.
Clam shells.
It's sea, isn't it?
Yeah, and we've got one here as well. Look.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a.
That's the sort of thing that dates it a little bit. Because the ship had its big modernisation a couple of years ago, but I don't think, having looked at it, they modernised the cabins that much.
You won't pick clams now.
No.
But you know what? It's
completely
roomy.
functional.
Yeah.
Plenty of space in it. No problem for using it. And some door hooks as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
And when we came in, there were some door hooks, some hooks right at the side putting his coats on, which I know it's like an obvious thing, but a lot of cabins don't put them in.
No, but people bring their own these days as well.
They do, yeah.
So we've got the wardrobe. Oh, yes.
We've got proper coat hangers.
Proper coat hangers, time-saving coat hangers.
Yep.
We're not stealing them. It just saves you time, and it's not
just more
faffing.
functional, aren't they? So decent-sized wardrobe.
Yep.
Your life vest in there. We've already put our suitcase in. Suitcases were delivered super fast.
They were, because we did.
We took the
fancy
key.
parking. Yes.
Which is the first time we've done that, and we'll be doing a review on it at some point.
Yeah.
But we got on incredibly quick.
Yeah.
And the cases were here before we got to the room.
Amazing.
Can't fault that at all.
Full length mirror. Little glass cabinet.
Table even.
What do I mean? I mean a coffee table.
Yeah,
I've not been awake long. I've got to point this out.
Well,
Mirrors.
normally when we get on the ship, we come to the room and then do the cabin tour straight away.
Yeah.
Complete transparency. We got on the ship.
Yeah.
Met up with some other people.
Yeah.
Had a few drinks.
Yeah.
Went and had our embarkation day lunch that you get as part of the key.
Which was a chops lunch.
Semi-chops.
Semi-chops.
Chops-esque.
Yeah.
And then you were like, I need a nap before we do anything.
I was absolutely whacked. Whacked. You know what I'm like. You know what I'm like. Yeah.
So you're coming round now?
I'm kind of coming round.
Who's that?
Why didn't... This would have helped me come round more.
The kettle.
A cup of tea.
What tea bags have we got? I genuinely haven't looked. Tellers. Yeah. I don't know why. It seems to be either they get a really great deal from Tetler's, or the American cruise lines think that British's favourite tea is Tetler's. Just for the record, what's England's favourite tea?
Yorkshire tea.
And that's not because we're from Yorkshire, is it?
No, it's Yorkshire tea.
So, come on, someone get a deal together with Yorkshire tea.
Do it.
Just do it.
Do it.
You're going to be our favourite cruise line.
You'd make so many tea drinkers so happy.
You would. But you would have had that anyway.
Look at this knob here. It's for the announcement channel.
Well, I can't see it from here, Pat.
But look, I like this because how many times have they made an announcement and then you're in a state of undress.
Oh, so you
have to
can switch it off as well?
Yeah, so you can go to the door.
I'm guessing
and
you can
listen.
switch it off, but in an absolute emergency,
they'll force it
it's probably
through.
overridden.
So vanity, we've got some things.
Yep, for doing things.
We're
Water.
happy to see you. Waters, I think this is part of our diamond rather than our
You think we
tea.
get that because of his loyalty membership?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we haven't bought a water package.
No.
And we're not being charged for it, it's their complimentary.
Everybody's nicked my puns now. I think.
As you would
drawers.
expect, all of the plugs on here, it's an American cruise line, the plugs are American. You would expect that. There are, as far as I can see, no USBs anywhere
What was
on
this?
here. There's no USB there.
Oh, no, it's not.
There's an old style, and this is why I said I don't think they did the cabins when they did the modernisation.
the phone.
It's got an old style telephone socket and an old style data socket. So they could easily replace them with USB.
They could, but they haven't.
Not yet.
Okay. Fridge.
Little mini fridge probably opens the other side.
Nothing in
Yeah.
it. So
Yet.
we're putting this in.
We'll load some waters in. You could do that afterwards, Lance.
I'm just showing.
You're just showing what water looks like in a fridge. I'm sure people will be very great. Well, that was successful. So what we've learnt there as
put your water.
as top tip, early top tip for the cruise, don't put your water in that bit and then close it because it falls straight over. We've got some fruit as well.
We got this from
Is
the
that
key.
because of
The key.
is that because of the key you get the,
The
fruit?
key. So we've got a banana,
Not because of loyalty status.
strawberries. I love strawberries. Some grapes and a pear and an
Lovely.
apple. That's nice.
TV, does that pull out
It swizzles. So
Okay.
for the thingy.
for the bed?
Yeah. Massive remote.
Well, I'll come around this side of you.
Okay, so now we've got the sofa. I'm guessing this is a sofa bed because we've
Yeah,
got
it is.
a curtain.
It is a sofa bed. When you look
privacy.
at the deck plan,
Yeah.
it's got one of the little icons that says sofa bed.
Okay, so this could be a triple, I'm guessing, if you so
I mean,
needed.
technically, you might get 4. 2 small people on that. By small people, children.
Children.
There's
Which-
children on the ship.
There are children on this ship, so
Yeah.
I wonder if they're homeschooled children. Bed, king size bed, proper.
Yeah, because it's not summer holidays when we're recording this.
Bedside cabinet.
Nice size bed. It is a proper size. The room's incredibly spacious.
It does feel really spacious, actually. Yeah.
I think, if I'm being honest as well,
this?
I know this is sort of first impressions,
What the?
because it's, there you go, you switch in on the side lights and the little reading light.
What's this?
Other one's the reading light. You got 2 buttons there. There you go, well done. You had 2 buttons to press. Still managed to press the same one 4 times. What I was saying for the room,
Yeah.
because it feels so spacious,
Yeah.
to a degree, and you might disagree, it feels a little bit barren as well.
Baron?
Yeah, like that wall there, where I just pointed to my fingers with, it could do with like some pictures or something on.
I guess.
You've got a picture on that one.
Yeah.
I think it's because when we've been all over the cruise ships recently,
Yeah.
the wall opposite, they've had like mirrors on, or they've had something to make it
Yeah,
more spacious.
I don't
This is
mind
already
it.
spacious,
Feels spacious.
but I think it could do with just maybe something else in it.
I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I
But
go on
now
then.
we're talking about spacious.
Oh, come and see the balcony.
It's massive.
Love a slider balcony. Don't have to fashion a device.
Now this is bog standard balcony on it.
Like this is.
Nothing fancy. It's not like extra spacious balcony or anything like that. The balcony is huge in terms of depth. If you look out, you'll see we're at the angle.
We're on a pointy bit.
Yeah. So where we are, sort of, I'll just pan round on there. You can see it tucks back in, and because of that, we get this extra wide balcony. How many people balcony would you say this balcony is?
A lot. And we could definitely have a few friends on this balcony.
Yeah, it's definitely a 10-person balcony stood up.
I
I like it because if you were doing the fjords or something, not that it's going much fjording
No.
after this, but you've got a lovely. It's a lovely entertaining
Space.
space. Yeah, I like it.
Really, really good.
Is this a whole combi thing? Oh no, they're just pushed together.
Yeah. Oh, that's interesting.
What?
So they adjust, but they've fastened it so that it can't adjust.
They obviously knew I was coming at it.
That it's
says,
going to fall
do not
over.
lay flat.
Yeah.
It
There's probably a good reason
I
for that.
noticed this as well. Do not hang your hangers on here. Now, I've never hung a hanger on there, but when towel animals used to be a thing, that's where your monkey was.
I was about to say, we have definitely seen towel animals
We've
hung up
definitely
on them.
had a monkey from there.
So have they put that notice there? Not for the likes of us, who would have never thought to hang it there to start with,
yeah.
but for the rest of the crew not to hang monkeys from it,
Don't-
or other hanging towel animals.
Creatures, I don't even know if that's a thing anymore, but that's where the monkey used to live.
It is, yeah.
So, yeah, and that's it. It's lovely.
So,
It's lovely.
first impressions?
Lovely.
Spacious,
Yes.
nice,
Yeah.
jolly good.
Yeah.
And with that then,
Oh, I need a drink, though. Something like a Coca-Cola or something.
something non-alcoholic.
Just to pep me up a little bit. Pep me up, because it was a long journey yesterday.
It was very long yesterday.
And then I've had a filet mignon for lunch, which is not like me at all.
No.
And a load of drinks. So yes, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.